Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this tutorial, I will show how to install HP LaserJet network printer on Windows 11. Open your browser and search HP printer driver. Click on first link HP official website. Download the recommended driver package for the printer. Download process running. After downloading, extract the download file. After the extract driver package file size increased from 120 MB to 490 MB. Now check the printer IP address. Open your browser and type the printer IP address on the address bar. Install the printer from the control panel. Open control panel. In the control panel, click on View Devices and Printers under the Hardware and Sound section. Click on Add a printer at the top of the window. Click the printer that I want isn't listed. Select Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click Next. Check to create a new port, and select Standard TCP/IP port. Click Next. In the hostname or IP address field, enter the IP address of the printer. Click Next. Browse a printer driver in your PC and click OK. Assign a name to the printer. Click Next. If you want to share the printer with other users on the network, select Share this printer. Otherwise, click Next. Select Set as the default printer. Click Finish to complete the setup. Set printer paper size A4. HP network printer installation is complete. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.